Hi y'all, I'm getting ready to go into the Home Depot. I was in here the other day and saw a cool kitchen and everything, and so I was like, man, I need to show my viewers, because it does not take all that you see sometimes on HGTV to have something that really looks cute, even though that really looks cute, but you don't have to pay 25, 30, 40, and $50,000 for a great kitchen or some great things to go in your house, or even for the house period. So this little series is going to tell you a little bit about having maybe an alternative type of house instead of just your traditional, wooden house. So getting ready to go in Home Depot, and I'm going to take y'all with me, and we're going to kind of look at some things. So see you in just a second. Okay guys, I am still here in Home Depot, and I came across this little kitchen setup. It looks like for a man cave, but if you're trying to build an unconventional house on a budget, then this would be a great option. If you notice, they've kind of used the wooden black backsplash. It does not match, but it looks really cool. They use like these Thomas Edison lights. If you go down to the cabinets, these are those basic generic cabinets that Home Depot offers. They've just painted them black, and you can kind of see inside. They've used, I think this is actually wood, like, plyboard. They use one of those, it actually feels really nice. I'm a person that likes to touch stuff, but just a generic black sink. This kind of looks like Moen. It doesn't have a name on it for the, but, nothing fancy. Now, they do have a TV screen on here. Most likely you won't have that in the kitchen. But if you kind of look at the cabinets, I know it's kind of dark, but you can kind of see it. And here's the little island setup. So, I don't know how many square feet this is, but, I mean, if you're building in a container home or a tiny home, this is a pretty good setup. Actually, let's count. I know my feet are not a foot, but yeah, kind of got some small feet. Yeah, don't hate on my kicks, but here they go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So maybe about 9.5. And then starting here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So let's just say it's a 10. No, we won't say 10 by 10. Maybe 10 by 11. Just guesstimating. For a kitchen, that's not so bad. Now I will say, they don't have a dishwasher, and there's no stove here or refrigerator. But you can always, a stove could go right over here. If you come from my family, you can be that human dishwasher. So, and, a refrigerator could go here. And you also don't have to have an island. So here's the whole look again. And I'll throw in some pictures. But I think this would be a wonderful idea for an actual kitchen if you could. They have the trim at the top, which I think is still pretty cool. So, especially if you're a man. Sorry, they're making a little noise here, but whatever. Home Depot is exactly what Home Depot is. So, just an idea, and I'll throw some pictures up here because you can't always see things completely with a, camera. So, I'll show you what I've found next at Home Depot here in my area in just a moment. Okay, so now I'm over here in the cabinets. What I did notice is they did have a Lazy Susan, which I'm kind of walking up on right here. Price for the Lazy Susan down here is $189. It's not so bad. And I will say, Okay, y'all, I had to stop filming, but, because one of those, I think, pressure machines here back in the back of Home Depot scared me half to death, and y'all wouldn't have been able to hear me. But, I found the sink. I don't remember which one it is, but they're all up here, and they're by, they're Kohler sinks? Wait, what am I saying? Kohler. That's not right. Kennan. They're Kennan sinks up here, and they're all $249. This one is Kohler though, but this one, the name of it is Kennan. But they're all Kohler sinks, but about $250 a piece. That's not so bad. But I'm still right here by the cabinets. I just moved away from that noise because it kind of scared me. All right, so I think they actually used, and I'm gonna try to zoom in. They actually used this. It calls it a sink cooktop base cabinet. Underneath the sink, and it's only 99 bucks. And then let's see here, I know they use two of the, zoom back out, sorry, they use two of the, where are they? I'm looking, oh, right here. Right here, they use two of these B24 base cabinets. They're $94 a piece. And then there was three more of, and I can't seem to find them. They use three more of the it may just be like the base cabinet that they use. That's what it's looking like. So it may be that they just use the, again, that, here it is, that SB36 base cabinet, but I don't think so. But I don't see just the plain one. Oh, there it is. It's all the way at the top. I knew I saw it, but I'm gonna have to back up. Okay, if you can look all the way at the top. Sorry. Okay, they use that particular cabinet. It doesn't have a number that I can see from here. But they use three of those in that design. So even if that thing was $150, 200 bucks, you still have a kitchen. Now you don't have any upper cabinets, but you still have a kitchen that's less than $1,500. And that's including a sink. The faucet, I'm not quite sure. You can find a faucet, but I just kind of wanted to show you that you could get a kitchen that doesn't cost $10,000 to have. But I'm going to show you a little more while I'm here exploring Home Depot. See you in a minute. Okay, so I am still at Home Depot, but I saw this at my local one, and y'all, this is a tough shed. But this is a freaking house. It has 2 stories and everything. And it has a porch attached to it. So I talked to the contractor people out here. And it is on sale. They said it wasn't on sale. But it actually is on sale. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, now. It's on sale for $21,347 even. So it wasn't on sale, I don't think. So I guess that includes the porch. So this is the inside. It looks like a house. The door was open. Huh. Pretty high ceilings. I'm not the tallest. I'm actually not even close to tall. I'm 4 something. 4'10", 4'11", somewhere around there. Living my best life at this height. But, so you could actually, this is underneath the steps. Okay, so if this is underneath the steps, you could actually have a powder room there. Powder room underneath the steps. Have your little, a toilet. Now the rest of it, I'm not going to measure, but you can have a kitchen, maybe on this back wall. And then, you know, your living room could be the rest of it. Have a window or something over there. That makes sense to give it a little light. Maybe some 2 windows back here. And you'd be fine. So here we go up the steps. Now, as I talked to the Home Depot guy, he was telling me that they change it a little bit if you want to actually live in it. So they do build it, and they build it, they can customize it. So here's upstairs. I actually kind of like how they got the ceiling. But it has 2 windows up here. You could do a bathroom, and the rest is your bedroom. If you're single, no kids, no nothing, you could do pretty good with this thing. Now, I will say this. I'm a person that kind of watches prices. I noticed that they took down what it was before. And I can tell you that I came here before and it was cheaper a couple months ago than that 21. And so it's like they've raised the price on it. But I'm thinking that that's because we have the economy that we have now, because everything is going freaking up. I have discovered the F word, but it's probably because in the morning I haven't used it. But it's pretty nice. You get it together. And I did know, oh sorry, I'm going a little fast. But this is it back downstairs and everything. But it's actually not so bad. So in the pamphlet, it also says that you can use the barn looking thing to do the same. So this one says $10,184. But the 2-story one I had before also had a price. And this one you can get with steps and a second floor also. But it looks more like a barn. Now, this is only one. But I'm not a fan of the siding going straight up and down vertically. I guess maybe I'm just used to seeing it going horizontally. But you can fix that. Alright, so this is what it looks like again. I'm going to back up. As far as I can. And I'll show some pictures because you can see a little bit more. Alright then, well, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye!